Happy December! I'm Lindsay Crane, and these are my retro craft dreams. I'm going to take some inspiration from one of my favorite YouTube channels. Last year, Engineering Knits did a series of 12 days of Craftmas, in which she did a plethora of crafts and activities, big and small, and mainly vintage. Well, it's kind of right up my alley, so welcome to Craftmas 2023. I'm really trying not to overpromise here, so I don't know that I can do 12 days, but I'm going to do as many as I can. My hope is to upload 2 or even 3 videos each week for the 4 weeks leading up to Christmas. I have a whole bunch of fun holiday projects planned, from vintage kits and books to stash busting and finishings, that will give us a nice variety of crafts for the holidays. And while most projects are holiday themed, my primary goal is to share some cozy vibes and project ideas that can provide inspiration no matter what holiday you celebrate, if any. And when you're done here, I do hope you'll check out Engineering Knits Craftmas. The link to her Craftmas 2022 playlist is in the description box below. But before you leave, I've got some decorating to do and a recipe for window paint to share. I can't get started on Christmas projects without first setting the mood. So today we are going to decorate. I do have some tidying up to do from my last project, so I'm gonna clean up and then I'm gonna break out my decorations, and then finally I have my first little project. I looked it up, it is all over the internet, but I thought it was fun that I found it in this 1963 book. First things first, I gotta clean up a little bit. On the one hand, it's obnoxious that I didn't finish and frame it yet. But on the other hand, this is an A-frame house and I can't hang stuff on these walls. But I can pin things that don't have frames. Most of what I have is for a tree, and I don't have a tree. I'm gonna see what I can do with this. When I was getting my decorations out of storage, I found this painting that I did in college. The colors have faded, so I've been meaning to touch up on it. It's not mounted on anything, which is perfect for an A-frame wall. think this will do for a base layer anyway. Hopefully we will get a lot more decorations going this Craftmas. Starting with this window. You could use some sprucing up. And I found a recipe for window paint. This is found in The Life Book of Christmas, Volume 3, The Merriment of Christmas from 1963. This is the only volume in this set that has projects in it. And we are going to make the stained glass windows. This is not a new recipe. It is everywhere. This is not something new, and it probably did not originate in this book. It's really a simple recipe. And these stained glass windows call for a mucilage, which is a clear glue, I think something like this. I remember those rubber stopper things, which of course is not so easy to find these days. So we're just gonna use ordinary school glue. We're gonna clean up the window, paint it up. We're gonna try this out. I do hope you enjoyed decorating with me today, and if you did, make sure you give this video a like. If you try this window paint recipe or have in the past, leave me a comment down below and let me know how it goes, or went. And do subscribe if you haven't already so that you can be sure to catch my next Craftmas installment, where I will be sharing with you a 1986 candy cane pony craft. So don't miss it. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you there. Bye. Thank you.